Hi everyone, myself Gksr and I'm from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I'm from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I'm going to explain about my technical seminar of the topic e-voting system using cloud-based hybrid blockchain technology. Myself Gksr and moving on to the topic. The contents in this presentation or introduction, statement, aim, objective, methodology, literature survey, and conclusion. What's in blockchain? What is meant by blockchain is explained here that blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. It consists of several blocks associated with each other and in sequence. This is the brief introduction about the blockchain. Uh, why we need to use a blockchain based voting system? See, in order to uh, make a fair election, fair voting, future election, and secure transactions, we need to use blockchain. This is the main purpose of using blockchain based voting systems. Uh, the problem statement for this topic is given in this slide that by opting blockchain, the distribution of databases on e-voting systems can reduce one of the cheating sources of database manipulations. Uh, Blockchain technology is one of the solutions because it embraces a distributed system and the entire database are owned by many users. Blockchain itself has been used in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Uh, the aim for this seminar is to build an voting system that satisfies the legal recruitments of legislators has been a challenge for the long time. Distributed ledger technologies in an exciting technology world also aims to evaluate the application of blockchain as service to implement distributed electronic voting systems. This is the main aim for this e-voting based e-voting based on blockchain based hybrid technology. Moving on to the next slide, objectives. The objectives for this topic are given or mentioned here. The election system must be openly verifiable and transparent. The election system must ensure that the vote cast by the voter has been recorded. Only eligible voters must be allowed to vote. The election system should be tamper-proof. These are the four main objectives for this e-voting system. Uh, Moving on to the next slide for methodology, there are there are some of the methodologies involved in this e-voting system. Open blockchain. The open blockchain records transactions in a permanent way. The open blockchain methodology in this e-voting system will record transactions in a permanent way. Closed blockchain, a private network that maintains a shared record of transactions. Those who have permission only they can access the network. These are the main. These are the mm, these are the parts where the closed blockchain works. The voting system, cryptography, symmetric cryptography, and asymmetric cryptography. Proof of work. Start the voting. The proof of work will be in a manner that the transaction will check whether it's minors. It will block and then it will add some block puzzles. Then we have some proof of work. Broadcast a new block, and the sense the received signal uh, will be broadcasted. Verification of the minors, verification of the vote. which the candidate verification of the vote for the candidates which the voter is allocated. This is the proof of work in this methodology slide. Moving to the next slide, literature survey. These are the um, some of the techniques and some of the papers that are used in this uh, uh, PPT presentation to make this technical seminar. The one that I like the most is blockchain-based voting system in 2018 by Gksr and Gunlav Garke. Uh, Techniques are actually it is not visible in the PPT. I'm so sorry about it. Moving to the next slide, the class diagram. The class diagram for the e-voting system is given in the block format, as we can see in the PPT. The administrator has an administrator admin username and admin password. These two are of string type. The candidates who are participating in the campaign are provided with their ID and their name. Those two names, candidate name and candidate ID, are given to the administrator, and then the voter, which contains the voter name and voter password, are given to the administrator, and then the result will be given out in a format that candidate and party symbol. These are the class. This is the class diagram for this e-voting system. Use case diagram for this e-voting system is given below, that given in the PPT, that the admin will be able to set up an election, add eligible voter, and then admin is the main key person for the result declaration and management of the voter. The voter is moving on to the next slide. Proposed work. As we can see in the existing system, we have some ballot type systems where we used to uh, use papers and all in the ballots, which is the existing system and the very old technique for the voting systems. Electronic control systems is also the previous means old technique for this e-voting based system, current digital voting system. These are the existing systems. As this proposed work, the voting is stored in the blockchain, which makes it tamper proof. As there's no standing in queue for casting vote, it will save a lot of time and reduce the workload. Uh, this is the purposed work in this presentation. Moving on to the next slide for the conclusion. A nation with less voting percentage will fight to develop a choosing a right front runner for the nation is very essential. Our future system is designed to provide a secure data and dependable voting amongst the people of the equality. Blockchain itself has been used in the Bitcoin scheme known as the dispersed bank system. By assuming blockchain in the distribution database and voting system, one can reduce the double dealing sources of the database management. This project aims to voting effect which blockchain procedure from every place of the election. Thank you everyone for your time on this video.